8th of December, which means there's just 17 days left till Christmas. Let's have a look outside. Quite a nice day actually. Let's just turn this around so that it doesn't. See if we can get this to look up at the sky. It's a bit cloudy, but it's trying to be blue. Trying to have a bit of blue sky. Bikes are all out. So my first job is to get all the bikes sold and reserved for Christmas and get them in this shop, ready for customers to come and start picking the things up. So I've got 3 bikes there that are waiting collection, and there's another 3 as well, so I need to do that, and then I need to, what do I need to do, and then I need to contact customers to come pick their bikes up, and then we're going to chop up 3 aluminium frames this afternoon or this morning. So that's my strategy, and of course all the social media and everything. I hope everybody is watching the video to the end, because I've got a little letter at the end of each video about what we've done, so keep your eyes peeled for that. Welcome to our new subscribers, and if you're already subscribed, thank you so much, we really appreciate it. If you haven't, just click the button, the subscribe button, and you'll see our videos and what we're up to. We've got some exciting videos coming up, but I'm going to get into it. But first things first is I need a cup of coffee, so that's what I'm going to do. So this is the broken part from the Boardman I made a start on. I've been waiting ages for the part to arrive. It finally got here yesterday, so I'm going to fit that to the Boardman and get that all done, ready for the customer. So that's my next job for today. Took forever. You would not believe how much this little part cost, but we'll be able to get this bike so it's working properly. Done. This is a Boardman Team, so it's got a new axle bushing just in, I don't know, you see, just in there. That was a doddle to fit. It was a pain getting it out, and I've took the front derailleur off because it's not got shifter's foot, because the lad's going to use it for downhill and then jumping, I think. So this one's done, gears all set up, brakes are good. Just going to give it a clean for the customer because he asked me to, and then I'm going to give him a call and tell him it's ready. Job is to chop up some aluminium frames, because as they are, they're big and bulky, and I want them in little tube sets so I can fit as many into a car or van to take them in to get recycled. So I'm going to just take my time and break this up into as many smaller tubes as possible so that it can easily be transported. That's the plan. Into that tiny little area, which means it's perfect for transporting. But that was an easy one because there was hardly anything on that frame. There's plenty more difficult ones, so I'm going to crack on with doing these. finished chopping up some bikes for today, and in here there is actually 6 mountain bike frames. So that's why we chop them up, is to get as many as we can in such a small space. And then we can what am I trying to say? I'm trying to say let me do less journeys, so it's more efficient to take it, so we don't spend so much transporting it. So there's about another 15 to go, I think, or might be more. So I'm just going to crack on through them, just chopping those up, making some aluminium, and then I can concentrate on the rest of it. So I'm now going off for lunch. And then I will be back, and this afternoon I'm going to contact loads of customers and get them to come pick some stuff up. That's my plan. We'll see you after lunch. So I'm back from lunch, and this afternoon I've got some relatively boring afternoon that you won't want to watch because it's social media, tidying up, sweeping and things like that. So just want to say thank you for subscribing if you already have. If you haven't, click the subscribe button and notification button. Please like our videos, it means the world to us. If you've got any questions or comments, please, we reply to all of them, we read all of them. So thank you if you have subscribed, we really do appreciate it. We're open tomorrow. I'm going to get ready now just to get the shop ready for Saturday because it's a busy day just before Christmas, and we'll see you tomorrow.